Hey, what's up guys? I haven't made a video in a while, but this deserves a full YouTube video because it's a pretty cool tool. This is a SUPCO TradeFox Refrigerant line cleaning set, and what we're going to do here is set this up and we're going to test it out. Now, these things here, these things are called pigs. Now, stuff like this is used a lot in the gas and oil industry, and they use them to clean out the gas and oil lines. And basically what they do is take pigs and they send it down the line, and it scrapes the inside of the line, whatever it's made out of, whatever that piping's made out of, and it takes all the debris out and sends it out the other side. So we're going to set these up. We're going to bend some pipe and some 90s, 45s, whatever, and we're going to send a pig or two through the lines and see how it works. So I'm going to use my Yellow Jacket Deluxe Alloy tube bender to bend up some pipe, but first we're going to try it on this full coil of 5/8 here to see if it gets through that. Then we'll do some bends and stuff like that with the bender and see how it goes. So basically what we're going to do is find the right attachment in the kit that attaches to the 5/8 pipe, and this particular one does. So we're going to attach this to one end of the pipe. Okay, so that's all set up, tightened, and you'll notice there's a T on there. That's because you can actually add some cleaner, like some flush cleaner or something like that, as you're purging with nitrogen with the pig inside. Now, on the other end of the pipe right here, what you want to do is attach this net, which is going to catch the pig. And you can use like a clamp, you can use a zip tie or something here just to hold it in place. So I'll probably just use a zip tie because I got lots of those. Okay, so now I have the net attached. Let me zoom out for you here so you can see a little better. I've got the net attached and the clip on the end. So now what we got to do is take the cap off of this piece right here. Okay, just set it aside for a minute and then choose the appropriate pig from the set here and put it in that hole. And then once it's in that hole, you're going to put the cap back on, and then we're going to get our nitrogen out and get ready to pressurize. So there's the pig stuffed in the hole. I could probably stuff it down a little bit better, but I mean, it's in there. So we're gonna run this through a quick test here. Now, if you look closely, there is a Schrader core in this valve here. So just make sure that you use a hose that has a depressor in it, or it's not going to work. And same down on the side, it's also got a core in there too. So I have this Western Enterprises reg on the nitrogen tank, and this thing here in the test mode right here, it builds a slow pressure. It's not immediate, it builds up slow, and anybody that's used this reg can attest to that, but it's still a good reg. So we're going to try it with this one first. And if we can't get it to move through the piping with this reg, we'll try a reg where we can set our actual outgoing pressure and try it that way. But for now, we kind of have this set up, and we are going to fire this on and run a pig through this. It's open, and when I put it to test, it's off right now here, but when I put it to test, I will put it over on the piping so you guys can see that pig come through or not. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's watch closely on the mesh here, and then what I can do is put it in slow-mo for you guys as it comes through so you guys can see it shooting through. So there it is. There's the pig. It made it through this coiled up line set. Now let's take a chunk of this line set, bend it into some different shapes, some 90s and stuff like that, and see how that works. Now we got this funky contraption, and what I'm even gonna do at the end is give it a bit of just a slight kink, because that can happen when you're running pipe, right? So I've given it a slight kink. Okay, all set up and ready to roll here. Here's our fancy dipsy doodle type contraption. Fitting on one end as per the last time, and our mesh here. Now there's our kink there. I know it's not a huge kink, but here's the thing. It's out around, and it can cause a restriction because it's out around, because the pig is around. So we're gonna try to fire the pig through one of these, and maybe what I'll do after is really put a bigger kink in a piece of pipe and see what happens. All set up, ready to turn on the nitrogen here. Let me just zoom out quickly. So we are going to turn on the nitrogen, and my money is on the pig. And there it is. There's the pig right there. You can see how the pig has actually got some debris on it. It's like scraping the inside walls of the pipe. I'm wondering what that red dust is, but it took it out of the pipe, and you could actually see it kind of exploding out of this mesh. So we're gonna do one more test, and I'm gonna kink the pipe a little further. Now here's a realistic kink you might see in the field. Like, that's kinked pretty good. If somebody's trying to bend pipe and they don't do it properly, let's see if it gets through that. So again, we're loaded up with our kink that is a little bit more exaggerated than the last one. And we are going to turn on the nitrogen, which is on already, and then we're going to turn back to the test mode, and I will have the camera pointed at the net here. So that last one didn't make it through, but I think it's because the other reg is a slow moving reg. It takes time to build pressure. But I've taken this old reg that's kind of busted and broken, but it still works, and we've turned the dial all the way in to get full pressure right away, and I have a feeling we're going to get the pig through this time. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the nitrogen cylinder with the reg fully turned in. And there it is. There's the pig. So what do we learn here? We learned that the Western Enterprises reg, because it's a slow build, it doesn't have enough pressure initially to get it through. But with a regular nitrogen reg like this, that gives full flow right away, we got through this kink. That's it, guys. This is the SUPCO Refrigerant line set cleaning kit, guys. TradeFox technician invented tool. So that's it. Happy HVACing.